Okay, this is what needs to happen. Here's your cervical machine. The problem is this washer is missing, and that's causing there to be tension on that spring pin that keeps shooting off. So for Bob to be able to use his engineering savvy and put this on, what needs to happen is the shaft, well, first we want to take the handle off, and the handle, which I have right here, first you would have to take the tension pin off that handle, okay, and then located on the is also a lock screw that would need to be loosened, and then the handle will slide right off. You want to, before you do that, you want to lower the seat all the way down, okay? Then there is another lock screw right here that you could loosen, and the seat position will slide off. Okay. Once you've done that, what we're going to do is, on your machine, what happens is that tension spring is located right here. That's where it keeps shooting off of. That's because the weight of the seat wants to force this screw in that direction, and the pressure for that tension pin is too much, and it goes ding, flies off. What I did when I was there was I moved one of these lock collars from this position, and you'll notice on your machine is located right there. I'm afraid if this thing here fails, what happens is then the seat will drop and it'll fly forward. So what we need to do is we need to place this washer, needs to get located right there on the screw shaft, and that way it's impossible for the screw shaft to move in that direction. So in order to get this onto the screw shaft, what we can do is loosen this, I forget what these are called, but loosen that back here, and we can replace it back on this end. What we're going to do is we're going to loosen these two bolts, okay, and that's going to enable us to, and have the seat all the way down. We should be able to screw, if we remove this, we can just screw out the shaft, okay? Put on the washer, move the lock collar back to this position, and then screw the shaft back in and reassemble it, putting this on the back end and then reassembling the seat adjustment assembly, and that will solve the problem.